Mary, you brush your teeth now? You know how to brush your teeth? Oh, show everyone how you can brush your teeth. Yeah? Do you need some toothpaste? Oh, yes. You're doing so well. Johnny, did you see that she knows how to brush her teeth? Yeah, toothpaste, please. Now, John, does she have enough room over there so she's not going to fall down? Don't give her too much toothpaste. She's never tried this before. Okay. Now get it wet for her. Get the toothbrush wet. Okay, that's a lot of toothpaste. Okay, Mary, you ready? Okay, Mary, here's your toothbrush. Wait, John. Let her do it herself. Let's see what she does. She doesn't like the toothpaste. Here, let her hold the toothbrush, John. Mary, you want to try to brush your teeth yourself? Mary, honey, give her the toothbrush. Here. Here, Mary. Here.
No.
Okay, here, Mary, you try this one then. Here you go, Mary. Here's your toothbrush. There you go. What's this backwards?
Sure.
Backwards. Here you go. Here you go, Mary.
No, she has to put this.
No? I think it's pretty cool that she learned how to brush her teeth just by watching us, right? There you go, Mary.
I'm doing it.
Here. That's great. You're doing it together. There she goes. Okay, Johnny, you brush your teeth too now. Ready? Uh-oh. Mary, what are you doing? We're not going to take the sink apart. We're just here to brush our teeth. Mary, here. Come on, brush your teeth. That's it. Good job.
I need help.
You need help? Okay. There we go.
I would not, please.
There you go, Johnny. Okay. Okay, ready, Mary? Brush your teeth. Johnny's brushing his teeth. Mary, look. You do it too. Oh, that's great. You guys are doing it together. Oh, this is great. I love it. Everyone has bright, shiny teeth. Mary, brush your teeth. Brush your teeth, Mary. Hold on, little lady. Okay, and rinse. And
No.
okay, all done.